is a hill station located in the northern part of Kerala. It is one of the beautiful spots in the Western Ghats. It's a land of forest, mountains, rivers, wild animals, spices, coffee, etc. It is an independent tribal area also. In 19th century, Britishers came to Wayanad and started plantations. They began to impose land taxes on the people. So many revolutions and revolts were organized against the Britishers. All communities, including tribal people, were involved in that. Talakal Chandu was one among them. He was an archer and commander-in-chief of Kuricha soldiers of Parashiraja who fought against the Britishers during the first decades of 19th century. He was born in Kunyotkakotil clan of Tondanad Panchayat of Wayanad district. The agrarian atrocities of the East India Company provoked great opposition among the people of Wayanad. Talakal Chandu with Edachana Kunkan started organizing the youth of that area and expertised them in martial arts. Under the leadership of them, people started continuous operations against the British force. Even after this incident, Britishers had not stopped their tax collection. This irritated the leaders and they planned to give a fighting reply. On October 11, 1802, they attacked Panamaram Kota and captured rifles and firearms. They killed 24 British soldiers, including Captain Dickens. It was a moment of the birth of a great warrior named as Talakal Chandu, who later known as the right hand of Keralavarma Parashiraja. Traditionally, the Kuricha community is expert in using bows and arrows and also in guerrilla warfare. Chandu and his Kuricha soldiers strictly followed this. It is proud to say that Chandu became a great headache for the British army in the Wayanadan forest. For long 2 years, King and Chandu made mockery on English army. Historians pointed out that English army made so many attempts to defeat or capture the King Parashi and Chandu, but all failed. For defeating Chandu and his men, Britishers brought Napoleon-famed Colonel Wellesley to Wayanad, but it was also failed. At last, English people tried to bribe someone from the local army, and they succeed in that. Through that person, British army captured Talakal Chandu. They killed him and hanged the body on a holly tree near Panamaram Kota. This was happened on 15th November 1805. The country has forgotten at many stages the brave warrior. By the continuous effort of the national organization like Vanavasi Vikasa Kendra, a memorial had built at Panamaram for Talakal Chandu. Frustration before the memory of the great hero who recorded the history of the representation of nomadic community in the struggle against the British by seizing courage and strategy.